Hi guys, Lisa here. Over the last 6 years, I have worked with dozens of mobility companies, helping them go digital and scale sustainably. I know from experience how tough it can be for business owners to make informed choices about ride-hailing software. It's especially tough when you're choosing the foundation your business will run on. This is why I started a series of videos to help you parse the difference in a straightforward and accessible way. In this one, I'll walk you through two platforms you might be considering: Onde and Autofleet. Let's start with a quick overview. Onde is a complete ride-hailing platform which includes white-label mobile apps, a dispatch system, payment tools, analytics, and built-in marketing support. Everything is designed to help you launch and scale a ride-hailing business. On the other hand, Autofleet offers a fleet optimization platform. It was originally built for rental and car-sharing operators, public transport agencies, and utility companies. It's primarily used to optimize operations within existing fleets. Let's take a closer look at how Onde and Autofleet compare when it comes to the tools and support you'll use to run your business. Both Onde and Autofleet offer demos, so you can explore the platform features and user interfaces before making any decisions. When it comes to the essential apps and tools, Onde provides a comprehensive package, including passenger and driver apps, both fully customizable with your branding, a web-based booking app for business clients, a management panel for admins, and an operator app for dispatching. You get pretty much everything you need to run your ride-hailing business right from the start. Autofleet also includes the core components to get started: a passenger app that's open source, a driver app for managing rides and shifts, and a real-time control center dashboard to monitor your fleet, drivers, and passengers. Autofleet's open source approach gives you flexibility to build exactly what you want, which can be a big plus if you have a strong tech team. But it also means more setup work on your side. You'll need to handle key integrations yourself, like payment gateways, SMS providers for user verification, and tools like Google Maps. You're also responsible for setting up the backend that stores and processes passenger data. Onde lets you easily add delivery through Playfoot integration, which is perfect if you want to expand beyond ride-hailing. It also includes a web booking app to connect with business partners like hotels and restaurants, helping you bring in more orders. Autofleet supports delivery and logistics too, but their focus is on larger fleets and more complex operations. They don't specifically mention tools for working with third-party business partners or a booking web app, so smaller taxi companies might find it less tailored to their needs. Onde supports more than 10 payment gateways by default, including both global and local providers. They can even integrate custom gateways if your market needs it. There is also a built-in wallet, so riders can top up and pay in-app. Autofleet doesn't list any supported payment options, so it's not clear what kind of setup you'd need to process payments or whether wallet functionality is supported. Getting your app noticed is key to growing your ride-hailing business on mobile. Onde makes it easier by including App Store optimization with every plan, helping your app rank higher and get found by more users on App Store and Google Play. They also offer paid acquisition services and advanced marketing support if you want to accelerate growth in competitive markets. Autofleet doesn't list any marketing services, so you will need to manage app promotion and user acquisition on your own. Both Onde and Autofleet give you reporting tools, but they work a bit differently. Onde's analytics dashboard doesn't just show you numbers, it actually helps you run your business better. It flags issues early and gives you AI-powered suggestions to fix them. For example, it might recommend adjusting prices during slow hours or sending a reminder to a driver who hasn't logged in. The goal is to cut down on driver idle time and keep things running smoothly. You also get Google Analytics and AppsFlyer built in, so it's easy to track your marketing and see how people use your apps. Autofleet, meanwhile, is all about optimization behind the scenes. It collects data from rides, vehicles, traffic, and even weather, using that to improve how your fleet moves and to predict demand. But there is not much detail on whether you get customizable reports or clear business insights, so that's something to ask about in the demo. Both platforms offer technical support, but the level of support differs. Onde includes 24/7 technical support on all plans, and you get a dedicated account manager to help with onboarding and strategy. Autofleet support is available, but there is no mention of account management or how they handle app updates. Some operators have reported stability issues, including occasional app crashes, and say that unclear error messages can make it harder for engineers to diagnose and fix problems quicker. Onde keeps it simple. You pay a one-time setup fee that covers your branded apps, store publishing, and launch support. After that, there are a few pricing options like revenue share, a fixed fee per trip, or a monthly rate based on active drivers. So whether you're growing fast or just starting out, you can pick a model that fits your business. Autofleet doesn't list pricing on their website. You'll need to book a demo to get a custom offer based on your setup and fleet size. So, which platform is the better fit? If you're operating a fleet and need internal optimization tools, and you already have a strong in-house tech team, Autofleet might be worth exploring. But if you are building or scaling a retailing company and need a branded, customer-facing platform with everything included, Onde is purpose-built for that. It gets you to market quickly, supports your growth, and takes care of the tech. If you are still deciding, why not book a free call to see Onde in action? We can show you a live demo and talk through what might work best for your business. Or if you're just browsing, try our quick quiz to get some ideas on which platform fits your needs. You'll find the links down below. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time!